Hello, beautiful souls. Take a slow breath with me, because today I want to share something that changed my life. I have spent more than 25 years studying personal development, mindset, healing, confidence, purpose, all the things that help us rise. But here's the part I never said out loud enough. I did all of it alone. I had no real-life mentors, no role models, no guides to lead me through the storms, no one to remind me that I was stronger than the story I was living. And that kind of loneliness, that silence, it shapes you. It makes you believe you are supposed to figure everything out yourself. It makes you think support is something other people get. For years, I carried that. So I built my own tribe. I found mentors in books, in podcasts, on YouTube, in the voices of people who could reflect the possibility I could not yet see in myself. Slowly, those voices became anchors. They became reminders. They became the support I had always needed. And that experience inspired something powerful. Because now, you can build your own tribe too. A tribe made just for you. A tribe that understands your goals, your healing, your story. A tribe that mirrors the woman you are becoming. And you can build it inside ChatGPT, using something I call your personal board of directors. Here's how it works. You paste the prompt from my free guide into ChatGPT, and with one click, the AI helps you build a team of mentors who guide you toward clarity, confidence, and inner peace. People whose qualities you want to grow. People who reflect your future self more than your past. ChatGPT becomes the tool that organizes it. But the heart of it, that comes from you. You choose the traits. You choose the strengths. You choose the voices that begin shaping your mindset. Now imagine this. You are having a heavy day. Your thoughts feel loud. Your energy feels low. You open ChatGPT. You ask your board for guidance. And suddenly, you have a circle of support speaking truth back into your life. They remind you of your strength. They show you what is possible. They help you break the old loops that kept you stuck. And here's the beautiful part. You can do all of this on the free plan. You do not need a paid subscription. You just save the prompt and open it whenever you need encouragement, clarity, or direction. I created a free guide that walks you through every step. It shows you exactly what to paste into ChatGPT, how to choose your mentors, and how to use AI as a catalyst for inner peace. Because here's the truth. I built my tribe because I felt alone. You get to build yours by choice, with intention, with clarity, with voices that speak life into your future. If this resonates with you, grab the free guide, join the mailing list. Let me help you shift your mindset and create a supportive inner world that helps you rise, not shrink. One prompt, one decision, one tribe that finally feels like home, love and peace.